Good morning, students. Welcome to my video lecture, Brahmanad. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. In last class, I discussed mathematical induction of type 1, principle of mathematical induction. Suppose Pn denote the given statement. Next, for n is equal to 1 or n is equal to any natural number 1 2 3 4 or so on. First proof, P1 is true, that is LHS of P1 is equal to RHS of P1, so P1 is true. Next, assume that Pn is true for n is equal to k, that is Pk is true. Next, to prove Pn is true for any Pn is true for n is equal to k plus 1. Last one, conclusion. The method of induction is true for all natural number n. All natural number n are all positive integral values of n. Okay. Today we are going to discuss type 2 questions of mathematical induction, that means divisibility condition, using divisibility condition. Suppose a number n is divisible by a positive integer m, then we can write n by m is equal to some integer k. N by m is equal to some integer k. Again, 4 is divisible by 2, that means 4 by 2 is equal to 2. 2 is an integer. Minus 4 is divisible by 2, so minus 4 by 2 is equal to minus 2, so minus 2 is an integer. 100 is divisible by 5, so 100 divided by 5 is equal to 20. So 20 belongs to integer z. Minus 50 is divisible by 5. So minus 50 divided by 5 is equal to minus 10, also an integer. So an integer is divisible by a positive natural number, positive integer, that means a natural number. Then the integer divided by a positive natural number is an integer. Okay. These are the questions. Prove by method of induction. Prove by method of induction. 1. X to the power n minus y to the power n is divisible by x minus y. Next question. 10 to the power n minus 3 into 4 to the power n plus 2 plus 5 is divisible by 9. Okay. Proof. So question number 1, let Pn denote the given statement. That is Pn such that x to the power n minus y to the power n is divisible by x minus y. X to the power n minus y to the power n is divisible by x minus y. Okay. For n is equal to 2, for n is equal to 2, for n is equal to 2, or you may take 1 or 3 or 4 and so on. So for n is equal to 2, we have P2 such that x square minus y square, n is equal to mean this is x square minus y square is equal to x plus y into x minus y. So clearly x square minus y square is divisible by x minus y, because x square minus y square is equal to x minus y into x plus y. So x minus y times x plus y. So x minus y into something means it is divisible by x minus y. Okay. So this implies P2 is true. P2 is true. Since P2 is true, so we assume that it is true for n is equal to k also. We assume that Pn is true for n is equal to k. That is Pk such that x to power k minus y to power k is divisible by x minus y. So this implies x to power k minus y to power k is equal to x minus y times an integer. This also x minus y times x plus y. Similarly, x to power k minus y to power k minus y to power k is equal to x minus y times an integer m, where m belongs to z. So x minus y times m, because it is divisible by x minus y. Suppose n is divisible by 2, so we can write n is equal to 2 times m. Suppose n is divisible by 100, so we can write n is equal to 100 into m, where m is integer. Okay. So similarly, x to power k minus y to power k is divisible by x minus y, so we can write x to power k minus y to power k is equal to x minus y times m, where m is an integer. So find the value of x to power k. So x to power k is equal to what? This is y to power k plus x minus y into m. This is equation 1. So using equation 1, we can prove that method of induction is true for n is equal to k plus 1. Okay. And to prove Pn is true for n is equal to k plus 1. N is equal to what? K plus 1. That is Pk plus 1 such that x to power k plus 1 minus y to power k plus 1 is divisible by x minus y. It I may prove kariya. Means we need to show that x to power k plus 1 minus y to power k plus 1 is divisible by x minus y. Okay. Now we have x to power k plus 1 minus y to power k plus 1 is equal to, this is x to power k plus 1 minus y to power k plus 1 means y into y to power k. Y to power k plus 1 means y to power 1 into y to power k. So is equal to x to power k plus 1 minus y into, so what is y, sorry, this is x into x to power k minus y to power k plus 1, because the value of extra k is here. In equation 1 we got x to power k, value of extra k. So तो this is equal to x into what is x to power k? X to power k is equal to this y to power k plus x minus y into m minus y to power k plus 1. X into this is x to power k. X to power k means y to power k plus x minus y into m. So this implies x into this is equal to x into y to power k plus x minus y into x into m. X is multiplied with each term minus y to power k plus 1 means y to power k into y. Y to power k into y. From first and third term taking y to power k is a common. तो 8 ରୁ କ'ଣ କରିବ y ର କେଟା କମନ୍ କାଟିଦିଅ y ର k କମନ୍ ଆସିଗଲା ତ ଏଠି becomes x minus y plus x minus y into xm तो this is equal to x minus y कमन बाहर कर दियो x minus y तो रहला केते y to power k plus xm so this is x minus y times the integer x minus y times the कौन integer so this is x minus y into k1 where k1 is equal to y to power k plus xm belongs to set of integer z so this implies तो which is divisible by x minus y which is divisible by x minus y that is pk plus 1 is true pk plus 1 is true so this implies it is true for all positive integral values of n all positive integral values of n okay so सब कौन करिए divisible by x minus y so you can show that this number is equal to x minus y times the integer है हमको एक्सप्रेस करिया पड़िबो x to power k plus 1 minus y to power k plus 1 is equal to x minus y times another integer okay next this is a question number 2 proof of question number 2 let pn denote the given statement okay that is a pn such that 10 to power n minus 3 into 4 to power n plus 2 plus 5 is divisible by 9 this is divisible by 9 so first test whether it is divisible by first for n is equal to 1 or 2 first check whether it is divisible by 9 or not okay so ठीक अछि for n is equal to 2 so implies p2 such that 10 to power 2 minus 3 into 4 to power 2 plus 2 plus 5 is equal to 10 to power 2 means 100 minus 3 into 4 to power 4 2 plus 2 means what 4 to power 4 so 4 to power 4 means 4 into 4 16 16 into 16 256 this is 256 plus 5 this is 100 minus 3 into 6 18 3 into 5 15 plus 1 16 3 into 2 6 plus 1 7 768 plus 5 so is equal to minus 768 plus 100 that means 668 so minus 668 plus 5 so minus 663 okay sorry it is a plus given not minus it's a plus so 768 plus 100 868 plus 5 868 plus 5 means 873 873 Okay. Achha, this is equal to 873 means we can write this is 9 into 9 9 81 663 means 97. So 9 into integer. 9 into integer means it is divisible by 9. 9 into 19. So it is divisible by 9. So this implies P2 is true. P2 is true. Okay. Therefore assume that Pk is true. That is Pk such that 10 to power k plus 3 into 4 to power k plus 2 plus 5 is divisible by 9. Is divisible by 9. So this implies, so we can write 10 to power k minus 3 into 4 to power k plus 4 to power k plus 2 plus 5 is equal to 9m, where m belongs to z, because this is divisible by 9. So you can write this is equal to 9 into integer. Okay. So implies, so 10 to power k, find the value of 10 to power k is equal to 9m minus 9, sorry, this is plus, minus 3 into 4 to power k plus 2 minus 5. Minus 5. Okay. So is equal to 9m minus 3 into this is 4 to power k into 4 square minus 5. 9m minus 3 into 4 square. 4 square is 16. 16 into 3 48. So 48 into 4 to power k minus 5. This is the equation 1. This is the 10 to power k. Okay. This is equation 1. So using equation 1, we need to show that Pk plus 1 is true. Using equation 1. To prove Pk plus 1 is true, that is Pk plus 1 such that 10 to power, put n is equal to k plus 1, 10 to power k plus 1 minus 3 plus 3 into 4 to power k plus 1 plus 2 plus 5 is divisible by 9. Divisible by 9. এটা prove କରିବା ଆମେ. Now 10 to power k plus 1 plus 3 into 4 to power k plus 3 plus 5 is equal to 10 to power 10 into 10 to power k. This is 10 into 10 to power k plus this is 3 into 4 to power k into 4 to power 3 plus 5. So is equal to 10 into 10 to power k. So what is the value of 10 to power k from equation 1? And this is 9m minus 48 into 4 to power k minus 5. This is the value of 10 to power k. Plus 4 into 3, 4 to power 3. 4 to power 3 means 64. 4 into 4 into 4, 64. 64 into 3. 64 into 3 means 64 into 3. 3 4 is 12. 1 3 6 is 18. 1 19. 192. So 192 into 4 to power k. Okay. 4 to power k plus 5. Plus 5. So is equal to 10 into 9, 90m minus 48 into 10, 480 into 4 to power k minus 50 plus 192 into 4 to power k plus 5 plus 5. So is equal to 90m minus the 8 term, 4, taking 4 to k is a common. So it becomes 480 minus 192. So 8208. Sorry, 192 means 8 11 200 288. 288 into 4 to power k. Minus 50 plus 5 minus 45. Minus 45. Okay. तो is equal to 9, taking 9 as a common from this, we is equal to 10m minus 2, 9 into 9 3 ja 27, तो 118 9 2 ja into 4 to power k minus 5. So this is 9 times something. So 9 times something means it is divisible by 9. So we can write this is 9 into k1, where k1 is equal to 10m minus 32 into 4 to power k minus 5 belongs to set of integer z. So 9 into k1 means it is divisible by 9. Therefore pk plus 1 is true. pk plus 1 is true. Hence the method of induction is true for the method of induction is true for all natural number n. Okay. Next question, prove by method of induction third number 4 to n plus 1 plus 15n plus 14 is divisible by 9 for n greater than or equal to 1. So question number 3, prove. Question number 3, let Pn denote the given statement. Okay, that is Pn such that 4 to power n plus 1 plus 15n plus 14 is divisible by 6. Therefore for n is equal to 1, or you may take also 2, P1 such that 4 to power 1 plus 1 plus 15 into 1 plus 14 is equal to 4 square plus 15 plus 14. 4 square means 16 plus 15 plus 14 is equal to 45, which is equal to 9 into 5, which is divisible by 9, which is divisible by 9. Therefore P1 is true. Since P1 is true, so assume that Pk is true. That is Pn is true for n equal to k. So assume that Pn is true for n is equal to k. That is pk such that 4 to power k plus 1 plus 15k plus 14 is divisible by 9. So this implies, or we can write 4 to power k plus 1 plus 15k plus 14 is equal to 9 into m, where m belongs to z. So find the value of complex part. 4 to power k plus 1 is equal to what? 9m minus 15k minus 14. This is equation 1. To prove Pn is true for n is equal to k plus 1. This implies pk plus 1 such that 4 to power k plus 1 plus 1 plus 15 into k plus 1 plus 14 is divisible by 9. Now 4 to power k plus 1 plus 1 plus 15 to power k plus 1 15 to power k plus 1 15 into k plus 1 plus 14 is equal to, this is 4 to power k plus 1 into 4 to power 1. First find the value of 4 to the k plus 1 ना कि तो plus 15k plus 15 plus 14. So what is the value of 4 to the k plus 1? Now 4 to the k plus 1 is 9m minus 15k minus 14. So put the value of 4 to the k plus 1, 9m minus 15k minus 14 into 4, okay, plus 15k plus 29. So is equal to, multiply this 36m minus 60k minus 14 into 4. 14 into 4 means 56 plus 15k plus 29. So is equal to 36m minus 60k plus 15k means minus 45k minus 56 plus 29. 27. So minus 27. So is equal to 9 into 4m minus 5k minus 3 is equal to 9 into k1, where k1 is equal to 4m minus 5k minus 3 belongs to set of integer z. So implies pk plus 1 is true. Implies pk plus 1 is true. Implies pk plus 1 is true. Okay, therefore it is true for conclusion. All positive integral values of n. Okay, this is question number 3 is over. Next question number 4. Next question number 4. Let Pn such that n into n plus 1 into n plus 5 is divisible by 6. Okay, for n is equal to 1. For n is equal to 1, so P1 such that 1 into 1 plus 1 into 1 plus 5 is equal to 1 into 2 into 6, 12, which is divisible by 6. So this implies P1 is true. P1 is true. Assume that Pn is true for n is equal to k. That is pk such that k into k plus 1 into k plus 5 is divisible by 6. So we can write pk such that k into k plus 1 into k plus 5 is equal to 6 into m, where m belongs to set of integer z. To prove pk plus pn is true for n is equal to k plus 1. That is pk plus 1 such that k plus 1 into k plus 1 plus 1 into k plus 1 plus 5 is divisible by 6. Okay, divisible by what? 6. Now we have k plus 1 into k plus 2 into k plus 6. K plus 1 into k plus 2 into k plus 6 is equal to, means we need to show that k plus 1 into k plus 2 into k plus 6 is divisible by 6 using equation 1. Okay. तो k इंटू के प्लस 1 इंटू के प्लस 5, k इंटू के प्लस 1 इंटू के प्लस 5, k इंटू के प्लस 1 इंटू के प्लस 5 इज डिविजिबल बाई 6. ओके, तो इज इक्वल टू k प्लस 1 इंटू के प्लस 2 इंटू k प्लस मीन्स k प्लस 1 इंटू के प्लस 2 मल्टीप्लाई विथ k अगेन 6 प्लस k प्लस 1 इंटू के प्लस 2 इंटू 6. ओके, एंड दिस इज इक्वल टू k इंटू के प्लस 1 इंटू, ठीक है, एडजस्टमेंट करिए देख लीजिए, k प्लस 2 इज इक्वल टू k प्लस 5 माइनस 3, k प्लस 5 माइनस 3, k प्लस 5 माइनस 3 मीन्स 2 इज इक्वल टू 5 माइनस 3 प्लस दिस इज 6 टाइम्स k प्लस 1 इंटू k प्लस 2. ओके, अच्छा, दिस इज इक्वल टू अगेन k इंटू k प्लस 1 मल्टीप्लाई विथ k प्लस 5 also 3. तो k इंटू k प्लस 1 इंटू k प्लस 5 माइनस 3 इंटू k इंटू k प्लस 1 प्लस 6 टाइम्स k प्लस 1 इंटू k प्लस 2. तो दिस इज इक्वल टू k इंटू k प्लस 1 इंटू k प्लस 5 इज इक्वल व्हाट 6m. तो यूजिंग इक्वेशन 1 दिस इज 6m माइनस 3 इंटू k प्लस 1 प्लस 6 इंटू k प्लस 1 इंटू k प्लस 2 फ्रॉम 1. ओके, फ्रॉम 1. अच्छा, k इंटू k प्लस 1, k इंटू k प्लस 1 is 2 consecutive integer. If one is odd, then another one is even. If k is odd, then k plus 1 is even. Suppose k is even, then k plus 1 is odd. Means product of two consecutive number. Product of two consecutive number means it is divisible by 2. Okay, so this is equal to 6m minus 3 into this is 2m1 plus 6 into k plus 1 into k plus 2. Okay, so let k into k plus 1 is equal to 2m1. m1 belongs to z because this is 2. K and k plus 1 are two consecutive integer. K and k plus 1. K and k plus 1 are two consecutive integer. So it is divisible by 2. So k into k plus 1 is divisible by 2. K into k plus 1 is divisible by 2. Okay, so is equal to 6m minus 6m1 plus 6 into k plus 1 into k plus 2. So is equal to 6 is a common, so it becomes m minus m1 plus k plus 1 into k plus 2. So is equal to 6m2, where m2 is equal to m minus m1 plus k plus 1 into k plus 2 belongs to set of integer z. So which is divisible by 6. Therefore pk plus 1 is true. Hence it is true for method of induction is true for all positive integral values of n. Okay, question number 4 is over. Next question number 5. Question number 5. Let Pn denote the given statement. Denote the given statement. Okay, that is Pn such that 7 to the power 2n plus 2 to the power 3n minus 3 into 3 to the power n minus 1 is divisible by 25. Okay, for n greater than equal 1, so take n is equal to 1. So let us take for n is equal to 1. So implies P1 such that 7 to the power 2 into 1 plus 2 to the power 3 into 1 minus 3 into this is 3 to the power 1 minus 1. So is equal to 7 square 7 to the power 2 plus 2 to the power 3 minus 3 into 3 to the power 1 minus 1. This is 49 plus 2 to the power 0 into 3 to the power 0. 49 plus 1 into 1 is equal to 49 plus 1, 50. So 50 means 25 into 2. So which is divisible by 25. Okay. So this implies P1 is true. P1 is true. Assume that Pn is true for n is equal to k. That is Pk such that 7 to the power 2k minus 2 to the power 3k minus 3 into 3 to the power k minus 1 is divisible by 25. Divisible by 25. Therefore, Pk can be written as, therefore we can write 7 to the power 2k minus 2 to the power 3k minus 3 into 3 to the power k minus 1 is equal to 25m. M belongs to Z. M belongs to Z. Okay. So find the value of either 7 to the 2k or 2 to the 3k minus 3 into 3 to the k minus 1. जे कौन सी गोटे value बाहर कर दे. So this implies 7 to the power 2k. 7 to the power 2k is equal to what? 25m minus 2 to the power 3k minus 3 into 3 to the power k minus 1. Okay. This is equation 1. Equation 1. So using equation 1, we need to show that Pk plus 1 is true. To prove, next to prove Pk plus 1. So what is Pk plus 1? Pk plus 1 such that 7 to the power 2 into k plus 1, 7 to the power 2 into k plus 1 plus 2 to the power 3 into k plus 1 minus 3 into 3 to the power k plus 1 minus 1 is divisible by 25. Okay. Now 7 to the power 2 into k plus 1 plus 2 to the power 3 into k plus 1 minus 3 into 3 to the power k plus 1 minus 1 is equal to, this is 7 to the power 2k plus 2. 7 to the 2k plus 2. This is plus 2 to the power 3k plus 3 minus 3 into 3 to the power k plus 1 minus 1. K plus 1 minus 1. So is equal to, this is 7 to the power 2k into 7 square. 7 to 2k into what? 7 square plus this is 2 to the power 3k minus 3 into 2 to the power 3 into 3 to the power k minus 1 into 3 to the power 1. सब देखो तो टिके एटी कौन अच्छी 2 to 3k minus 3 into 3 to k minus 1 पावर टा जहाँ अच्छी सेही फॉर्म के ट्राई करो सेम जिन सर के ट्राई करो. ओके आ जहाँ रेस्ट अच्छे कौन 3k माइनस 3 रहा कौन 3 रहा तो 2 टू 3 मल्टीप्लाई कले 3 टू k माइनस 1 और 1 रहा तो 3 टू 1 मल्टीप्लाई कर तो ये जहाँ अच्छी से फॉर्मेट रखा ट्राई कर से फॉर्मेट 2 to 3k minus 3 तो राइट हियर 2 to 3k minus 3 3 to k minus 1 राइट 3 to k minus 1 और रेस्ट रहा 3 2 to 3 into 3 to 1 ओके तो सही फॉर्म रखिए सब ट्राई करो है देखता है तो इज इक्वल टू 7 स्क्वायर मीन्स 49 इंटू 7 to power 2k प्लस 2 to power 3 मीन्स 8 इंटू 3 to power 1 मीन्स 3 इंटू 2 to power 3k minus 3 इंटू 3 to power k minus 1 देखो ये जहाँ अच्छी ये से ट्राई कर मीन्स यही फॉर्म 2 to 3k minus 3 इंटू 2 to 3k minus 3 इंटू 3 to k minus 1 ये पावर जहाँ अच्छी से फॉर्म रखिए ट्राई कर सब ओके तो इज इक्वल टू 49 व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ 7 to 2k फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 1 तो इट इज 25m minus 2 to power 3k minus 3 into 3 to power k minus 1 plus 8 into 3 24 into 2 to power 3k minus 3 into 3 to power k minus 1 तो is equal to 49 into 25m minus 49x plus 24x where x is equal to 2 to power 3k minus 3 into 3 to power k minus 1 तो is equal to 49 into 25m minus 49 plus 24 तो 49 minus 24 means 25 तो minus 25x तो taking 25 as a common this is 49m minus x is equal to 25m1 where m1 is equal to 49m minus x belongs to set of integer z so this implies which is divisible by 25 m1 is divisible by what 25 therefore pk plus 1 is true hence it is true for all positive integral values of n okay all positive integral values of n these are the homework for you type 2 question and some type 1 questions in type 2 question prove a method of induction question number 1 3 to 4n plus 1 into 2 to 2n plus 2 is divisible by 7 second number 11 to n plus 2 plus 12 to 2n plus 1 is divisible by 133 third number n cube plus n plus 1 whole cube plus n plus 2 whole cube is divisible by 9 fourth one 2 into 7 to power n plus 3 into 5 to n minus 5 is multiple of 24 means same divisible by 24 next one x to 2n minus 1 plus y to 2n minus 1 is divisible by x plus y last one 5 to 2n plus 2 minus 24n minus 25 is divisible by 576 next type 1 this is equation type and let's put an alphabet is given so 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 2 plus 1 by 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus dot 1 by 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n is equal to 2n divided by n plus 1 next 2 1 by 1 into 2 into 3 plus 1 by 2 into 3 into 4 plus 1 by 3 into 4 into 5 plus dot plus 1 by n into n plus 1 into n plus 2 is equal to n into n plus 3 divided by 4 into n plus 1 into n plus 2 last one 1 into 4 into 7 plus 2 into 5 into 8 plus 3 into 6 into 9 plus dot plus n into n plus 3 into n plus 6 is equal to n by 4 into n plus 1 into n plus 6 into n plus 7 these are the homework for you first try it okay check करी नहीं जल्दी न हो मतलब डाउट पचार है तो ये रहा मेथड ऑफ इंडक्शन नेक्स्ट क्लास एंड टाइप इन इक्वेशन यूजिंग इन इक्वेशन means inequation means some, suppose inequation means not equal, means a greater than b, it is inequation. A less than b, it is inequation. A greater than equal to b, a less than equal to b, these are called inequation. Okay, so next class आम कौन करवा थर्ड टाइप 3 प्रॉब्लम करवा है। ओके।